Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Weekly, first week July 2020.
Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav getting you to the most competitive questions to help you out in competitive exams. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel VM9 India, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit on bell icon for latest updates. Enjoy, good luck.
Question 1. When is National Doctors' Day observed? Answer: July 1st. 2020 Doctors' Day theme: Lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Question 2. How much fund has been allocated by government under special liquidity scheme to improve liquidity for NBFCs and HFCs? Answer: rupees 30,000 crores. The scheme will remain open for 3 months for making subordinate by the trust. The period of lending by the trust will be for a period of up to 90 days. Question 3. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana has been extended till? Answer: November 2020. Rupees 90,000 crore has been earmarked for the scheme. Question 4. PASSEX naval exercise was conducted between India and blank. Answer: Japan. The exercise took place at Malacca Strait in the Indian Ocean region. Question 5. Recently, central government has implemented amendments in the Indian Stamp Act, and the answer is 1899. These amendments are introducing a uniform rate of stamp duty on the trading of shares and commodities. Question 6. Recently, the government has declared entire Dash as distributed area for 6 more months under AFSPA Act 1958. Answer: Nagaland. The state was under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA for almost 6 decades. Question 7. Which has launched the world's first online BSc degree in programming and data science? Answer: IIT Madras. Data science is predicted to grow and provide 11.5 million job opportunities by 2026. Question 8. Which country has cancelled 2021? Question 8. Which country has cancelled 2021 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation? Answer: New Zealand. It has cancelled the 2021 APEC's Auckland Summit and decided to do a virtual summit. Question 9. Which bank has launched e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers? Answer: HDFC. The app will provide a lot of services in banking and agriculture through their mobile phone and also information on new government schemes. Question 10. Government has cleared defense acquisition worth blank. Answer: rupees 38,900 crore. The equipment are to be manufactured in India, involving the Indian defense industry with the participation of several MSMEs as prime tier vendors. Question 11. Which state had decided to offer monthly rupees 3,000 stipend for lawyers to overcome financial difficulties? Answer: Tamil Nadu. The government has announced a monthly stipend of 3,000 rupees to junior lawyers for 2 years to help them overcome financial difficulties. The stipend has been a long standing demand of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu. Question 12. Shravani Mela is a famous fair of which state? Answer: Jharkhand. The state government has decided to postpone the world famous Shravani Mela held in Deoghar this year in view of spread of novel coronavirus infection. Question 13. Name the committee which has been formed by Delhi to explore economic reform measures. Answer: Jasmine Shah. The committee will do a comprehensive analysis and make suggestions regarding the measures which should be initiated by various departments, autonomous bodies, local bodies, and MCDs to help the people and businesses in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Question 14. India's first plasma bank has been started in which state? Answer: Delhi. The faculty has been set up at the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi. Question 15. What is ECLGS? Answer: Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme. Question 16. Name the country where jade mines are located. Answer: Myanmar. In Myanmar, at least 162 people have been killed in a landslide at a jade mine in northern Kachin province. Question 17. Which has launched Accelerate Vigyan project? Answer: Science and Engineering Research Board. Accelerate Vigyan scheme for research internships was launched by the Union Government's Science and Engineering Research Board SERB. Question 18. Where is National Fertilizers Limited? Answer: Noida. National Fertilizers Limited NFL has launched 5 mobile soil testing labs for testing the soil samples at the doorstep of farmers free of cost. Question 19. Statistics Day was observed on. Answer: June 29th. Statistics Day was observed on June 29th on the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis on 29th June in recognition of his invaluable contribution to establishing the National Statistical System. Question 20. Where is the galvanized rebar production unit which was in news recently? Answer: Punjab. Union Minister of Steel Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated continuous galvanized rubber production facility at Mandi Gobindgarh in Punjab. Thank you.
I thank the volunteer Komal Vaishnav in helping this project. Thank you.